You go to Eden on this link and click Bounceback Tracker, and then click here to download the tool. It will redirect you to the SharePoint folder where you can download the zip file. So click this three dots to open the menu and then click download. So wait for this to download. Once it has downloaded, go to folder, and then extract the zip file. Then go to the folder, then right click the exe file to open. And this is the main UI. So first I will show you an example by sending some dummy campaigns to some dummy recipients. I will use mail merge for this demonstration. So I've opened up Microsoft Word. I'm going to open the script file. So this is an example script for my campaign. I'll go to mailings, start mail merge, email messages, and then I will select the recipients from an existing list. So this is my dummy list. And this is my dummy list. Now I'm going to start sending the campaign. So now I'm going to start the mail merge. First, I'm going to highlight this field, and then I will insert the merge field, which is the fname, and then the customer from. So this is just an example. I'll put it the account, and that's it. So let's preview the results. So this is their Piyush Sopron components. Number 2, Swaraj. Number 3, Nitin. 4, Arun, and so on and so forth. Now let's finish up the mail merge and then send email messages. So message options to email address. Subject line, test campaign. All. So it's sending Piyush, Swaraj, Nitin, Arun, Mark, Mikey, Cindy. Okay, so for my mail merge, I had used my account, my Microsoft Outlook. If I look at my Microsoft Outlook in my sent items, I should save the campaigns, and there it is. So here you can see that in my sent items, you'll see all the campaigns that I have sent using the mail merge. Now I should receive, since I've sent to dummy emails like this one, piyush100 at supremecomponents.com, I should receive undelivered reports or bounce backs if I go to my inbox. So I go to inbox, and as you can see, I have received undeliverable emails. The one, two, three, four, and this one went through because this one is a valid address I sent to myself. And the rest are all undeliverables. So now let's try to track this using the email bounce back tool. So in order to track those campaigns, we need to put the account, Office 365 sender account here, the one that we have used to send those campaigns. In this case, I will put my own account because I have sent those dummy campaign. The subject was um, test campaign. So I'll just copy this. And then we sent it around today, around 7:40 p.m. And I guess the last campaign was sent. It's 9:20 ACST now, so maybe let's make it 7:50 or maybe just 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock p.m. This is p.m. So we're expecting a reply. This will be automatic reply date. So we're expecting a reply. In this case, it's 7:40 to I don't know. Let's make this 8:30 p.m. So we're going to fetch the emails directly from my mailbox. First, let's specify which folders to extract the items from. So let's click the Get Mailbox folders. This will retrieve all my folders in tech@supremecomponents.com. So meaning all this that you can see here. So for the sent items, the emails that I've sent should be inside the sent items folder, and the received items will be here in the inbox. So I'll specify the inbox items. So basically, this tool will search tech@supremecomponents.com for emails having the subject test campaign, and then my campaigns will be on the sent items, and the received items will be on my inbox folder. It was sent from today, 7:40 p.m., and the last campaign was sent 7:40 p.m. Just to give it a buffer, maybe I'll make this at 8 o'clock. And then expected reply date is 7:40 to 8:30 p.m. As for the checkboxes, load cache data first means once the system has extracted the accounts from the CRM and the sent and then received from the mailbox, it will store those data in my local disk. So basically, if you tick this, it will no longer load the data from Centra and the Office 365 Exchange. It will just load the data from the local disk. If it has not loaded it in the local disk from the local disk, if this is checked cache retrieve data, then it will save it to the local disk. In this example, I will not use GPT to distinguish the out of office replies. And I'll also delete the email files after use because it needs to download the email items in order to analyze it. So now let's hit scan. I'll maximize this. So what it's doing now, for stage one, it's downloading the CRM accounts from our central CRM system. Stage two is loading all the sent items, and it has completed. So just to explain what's going on here, stage one, it is downloading the CRM accounts data from the central CRM. So this is used in order to uh, identify if those contacts are under any accounts that or they already exist in our central CRM. So CRM accounts data, these are the received records. And then stage two is to download all sent items matching the subject and this sender. So it has received 10 mail items. That is because in our sent items, we have sent 10 campaigns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, stage 3 is to download all received items. So for this one, it will download from the inbox any undelivery, any OOO, any valid responses, any inbound mails that satisfies this condition. So date from is this one, date to, and receiver is that. So total received items 9. To double check, I'll go to inbox. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For stage 4, it will match the sent items versus the possible responses. So it will try to mix and match, try to find out for all those sent items, which one of the received items was for that campaign, whether it's undelivered or OOO or valid response. And finally, um, this is the our totals. We have total sent items found 10. Undelivered is 8. There were no OO replies. Considered as delivered is 2 because first is has a target response uh, 1, so meaning we have received a response from the target. We can review this straight from the app using the tabs here. So if you go to email delivery tracker, you will see here. Okay, okay, I'm not sure why I'm in the CRM. But anyway, so this is the campaigns that we have sent. So this is the summary, and this is the response successfully delivered because there was a response found. So technically, if there's an email from this sender, it will regard it as a valid response. And for this one, response not found. We didn't have a response from this recipient. This is the subject line, bounce back email, and the matching type. Out of office, there was none. These are the sent items. These are the receive items. And of course, the events. Now you can extract this by going to export. And then I'll just export it to downloads. Data successfully exported. Do you want to open the file? Yes. So in this file, you will see the logs. It's the same logs as you can see here from the app. So there's a transparency there. You can see everything was logged as well as the statistics. For the receive items, these are the receive items in the inbox. Sent items, so that was your campaign. It's the recipient. Out of office, there was no out of office replies. And finally, the email delivery tracker. So this is the final report, consolidated report. You will see undelivered, success, undelivered, success, undelivered. You will also find what it will also say here why it was successfully delivered. The first one because we have found a response. The first one there was no response, so we just assume that it was successfully delivered because there was no undelivery receipt and there was no OOO or out of office response. So we can only surmise that it successfully went through and to the target recipient. And that's it.